Hi viewers, welcome to another session of Learning Maths. You remember we were doing last one, powers of 2. So now we are going to do powers of 3. Okay, that means exponent. That means I am going to find out what is 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 square, 3 cube and so on. Alright, so here the difference, for 2 you just took a piece of paper and you divided into 2 parts. Whereas when we have 3, what you need to do is, you need to divide the paper into 3 equal parts. That means every single part you have to keep dividing into 3 parts. Okay. So let's look at 3 power 0. That means you are not dividing anything. Alright. You are not dividing anything. So this becomes 1. That means I just have one piece of paper. Okay. Now I am going to do what is 3 power 1. That means this one piece of paper, I am going to divide it into 3 parts. So Samrud, will you do and tell me what's the answer? 3 power 2. That means you are going to divide it into, can you tell me what would be 3 power 2? What do you think will be the answer? 3.
6.
6. Okay, you do and show me what's the answer. Is that okay? Surya, you will do 3 power 3. Okay? So, you got it? Wait, let's wait for Surya. Have you written down everything? Okay, so how many parts do you have?
2.
Okay, so show like this, let me see. So 3 power 1, you have 3 parts. Is that okay? Yeah, good. Now can you try for 3 power 2? You told me 6. Check, come on, hold and check for me. How many parts do you think you will get? Yeah, show me. What do you get?
I got 9.
How much to show like that?
9.
9. So you have one part, you divided in 3, 3, 3. So 9. So 6 is the wrong answer, correct? So basically this means 3 multiplied by 3, which is nothing but 9. Okay? Yes, Surya, what's 3 power 3?
27.
Wow, good. So how did you get 27?
3 into 3 into 3.
3 into 3 into 3. Okay, Samrud, can you tell me, let's not fold, without folding, what is 3 power 4?
81.
How did you get 81?
1
Multiply what?
3 times 3 times 3 times 3.
4 times, correct? So you got 81. That means 27 multiplied by 3 is 81. Okay, Surya, can you tell me 3 power 5? What do you think it is?
283.
2?
83.
283.
Yeah.
Can you check? 283. So you got 81 here, right?
Yes.
So 81 times 3?
81 times 3 is 43.
243.
Yes.
Alright? Yeah, great. So we can keep doing this in the same way. And viewers, if it is power 4, all you have to do is divide this one piece into 4 equal parts. Alright? So once you divide this, that would be 4 power 1, which is 4. Then you can do 4 power 2, 4 power 3. That means each part you'll have to divide into 4 equal parts, and you can find out what are the exponents. So students, this is very important, this concept. People don't understand that exponent is nothing but repeated multiplication. Right? Is that okay? Clear? Okay. Thank you very much. Let's wait for another session for learning maths.